Welcome back. Hi. I got this one down. This was going to be my hunter knife, survivalist knife, and I got to looking at it and doing a little hard thinking. This is too small. I mean, it's a good sized knife. I wish I hadn't put the clefts on top or the little blade, but that's okay. Somebody out there might want it. And you got the jimping on it right there. And it's got a spot right there, right here, that you can do a flint and steel with and everything. It's one of the reasons I overthought this, and I put it when I shouldn't have. But anyway, so I decided that I would come up with this. This one right here. Only difference between this one and this one is this one's longer, heavier, and cut out of 01 steel, so it won't hum on no matter what I do with it. You give me a quench line, if I just put the edge down in there, then it will do that. But this is just 01, so I do a little cleanup and everything, get all my belt scratches going this way instead of up and down, going horizontal. It's still that, and then the handle feels good. It's a right length. I've made a flat spot there for I'm back it for a nutcracker. But anyway, this one right here will be the one I'll be finishing up for a survival knife, and let me know what you think about it. I mean, it's 1.5 by, how long did I make this? I don't even remember. I think it's about 10 or 11 inches. It's 10 inches. I just cut a piece of steel 11 inches. So that's the reason I couldn't remember, 10 or 11. But anyway, this right here is 10 inches long and everything, 1.5 inches, and it's 4 millimeters thick. It's about 3/16, give or take. It's an old one. It come with a factory grind on it. It was slick and squares, precision ground on both sides. You got here, and it ships in its own little wrapper. It's wrapped up here like a burrito. I mean, it's wrapped up good. I don't know if you can see that or not, but this comes from Admiral Steel. They're a little cheaper than the Jersey steel bearing. Anyway, steel is steel, and but anyway, this right here is one I'll be working on for that. I got to figure out what kind of handle do I want. Do I want to use Corby fasteners, or just go ahead and do what I've been doing and pinning it? I've got the holes in it for the pins, but that don't mean I have to use them. I mean, I can just cover them up with the handles, drill new holes, and I drilled holes to mount it on the grinding jig. So anyway, it's just a drop point here. Got a good weight to it, good feel so far. I mean, proof will be in when I get the handles on it, you know. It'll swell out there a little bit, and I think I'll do it just a little bit of a palm swell right here, right there in the middle of it. But anyway, this is it. This will be if this works out, this will be my DB7 survival knife, and this one will be a DB6 without this on it, without the top on there. And I mean, I like it and everything, but this will be real good around. Well, this gonna make somebody a good knife anyway. So see what they can use, find out somebody that wants it, see what they want to use it for. It's got a good edge, it's got a good Scandi grind on it. That's what all the survivalists want, I reckon. It's that little bitty, that means it just gives it more meat in here. The high grinds, like this one, yeah, the high grinds cut better than the Scandi grinds as far as cutting goes and everything. The longer the taper, the easier, the smaller the edge and least resistance to the material, taking it apart. Yeah, but this one right here should I like this one. I may keep this one for myself, I don't know, but anyway, I do like this one. And I've got one just a little bit smaller than this, but I put that on right there. It's a little bit smaller. I ain't done with this one yet. It's still like this. I'm just using up pieces of steel around there big enough to make a knife with. And this one feels real good. I may make a few like this one without this top edge on it there, and do these as a excuse me, as a gentleman's knife, just an apple peeler, not a toenail peeler. So anyway, something like that. That's what I had in mind for these, was to be just a little knife to wear on your side there. Try to get a horizontal carry holster for them, and they tuck right in on your belt line, and you hardly ever know that they're there. So that'd be real good. And anyway, I'm going to get back to it, and don't forget now. I'm having this drawing, this giveaway for this scribe, center scribe. You can use it for all kinds of things. It don't have to be just to mark just a center and everything. I keep everything I keep mine set on 2mm, because all the stock that I've got in here is 4mm thick. So this is mine, and I keep it on 2mm set. See, I don't care what mine looks like. Mine gets used. This one right here, hopefully one lucky subscriber will get this, not too distant future and everything. So it's 1x1. It's 2 1/4 inches long. Got a 3-inch, 1/4-inch brass rod, and a tool steel scribe. And I've ground a point, sort of a point on this, so it will register an index good. So it's not marked in any increments. If I did, it would just be, it'd be just for nothing, because you know, just moving it back and forth with this right here, just wire the top of them off, regardless of what the markings are. So, wish they wouldn't, but they do. So, anyway, man, could make one, I guess, square, if you wanted to. Put a square rod in there, square pin, do the same thing, and mark it on the side. That may be something I think about. But anyway, that right there is, when I get to 50 subscribers, I'll let my granddaughter pick a number from 1 to 50 or 1 to 200, whatever I get here in the next few days or weeks or whatever, and let her pick a number, and then I'll contact you and get you information and send this off to you. Alright, thanks for stopping by, and God bless.